I think Network Rail's going to come and fix it. Because the gate isn't going up, the barriers have failed. Drivers are turning around, look. This is like a video of Barmouth where Barmouth got stuck. A battery is stuck. We're going to be stuck with this for God knows how long. JP's level crossing, if you're watching this, look at this. This station's doing the exact same thing. They're going to have to come fix the barrier. I think the barrier's broke. No, you can't do that because the crossing's failed. They tried to go across there, look. When it's failed, you can't do that. Well done, mate. I think Network Rail's going to turn up. But they have to fix this. I guess we're going to have to wait for Network Rail. This is going to be chaos now. I think the barrier's broke. I think the barrier's broken, it's failed to raise. Oh, there's a train due in 4 minutes. It's going to have to stop at that red signal. There's a train due in 1 minute. It's gonna have to stop at that red signal by the looks of it, because we're gonna be down for ages. This barrier is still stuck, but I'm hoping the crossing will hopefully fix itself, but I don't think it will. The alarms are still going. Anyway, I'll stop talking for a bit. I'm staying here, I'm not crossing the road or anything. This is a passing train as well, so it has to go on the speed limit. Right, is the barrier going to stay down? Probably. Yep. We're stuck. Yeah, we're stuck. This station's been doing this for about 20 minutes now, or probably longer.
Really?
Yeah, so basically, I think what's happened is that barrier there has failed to raise. So I think a train went through, and these three went up, and that one's just stuck.
Yeah.
So I think Network Rail is going to have to come and fix it, and now this alarm is going off constantly.
Yeah, yeah.
So trains have to go through it on a speed limit. It's either two things that's failed. The barrier's got stuck, or it's the obstacle detection system that's failed.
Yeah, I got you.
I think it's the barrier this time that's failed.
Well, like you say, it looks like that one's come down and it's not gone back up again.
Yeah, I think the motor's failed on it, unfortunately. Drivers have turned... I would go tell that driver, but I'm not crossing the road because of this failure. This is going on YouTube. Oh, you're going to have to probably cross the bridge, mate.
Yeah, probably safe.
I think someone's already reported. I think the signallers are aware of it, though.
Yeah.
I wouldn't cross the road if I were you, because there's trains coming through.
Alright, buddy, will you have a good day?
You too. We're still stuck. The barrier's got stuck. Down there, look. Oh, there's a train at a red signal. Train's at a red signal. He's not meant to be stopping, but he's on a red signal because of this. This is going on YouTube, definitely. Just hope no guy turns up soon. I don't want to film all of this. Right, I believe that train's going to come through slowly. This station is legit broken. The barrier's got stuck. That is absolutely wonderful. What a malfunction this is. I'm surprised it hasn't shut up yet. It's still going off. The lights are still going. Right, crossing's just failed. Believe the driver's telling the signaller it's failed. They're telling Network Rail or the signaller saying it's failed. Train should come through now in a minute. It's been sat there for 3 minutes. This is going in one big video, mate. I'm gonna stand back a bit. Train's coming. Train's slowing down. It's going through slowly. I'm guessing the other two crossings behind are working fine. It's just this one that's broken. Another failure. Yeah, it's train slowing down. That. This is going to be a fun video to film. This is going to be a fun video, just listening to this constantly. Yep, we're still stuck. That barrier's definitely failed. It's been broken for like 20 minutes now. Or longer than that. See how much I can film of this until it gets fixed. Noah Grell's probably on their way to fix the failure. I think they're going to have to pump that barrier up because it's not going up, and I believe the lights are still going to be going. Train's not here yet. Don't forget it's also a stopping train, so you'll have to come through slowly. This is going to be chaos. Oh, train's just here, look. We're getting misuse, are we? Okay. Should tell people not to cross because it's failed. You shouldn't really cross the level crossing when it's broken, because there's trains coming through and you don't know what time they are. The red lights are still going. So I think what's happened is all gates went up except for that one, because that one's just stuck. Oh, we have people turning around there. Oh, trains there, look. It's on a red signal because it can't come through until it's given permission. Mate, you might as well turn around because the crossing's failed.
That's it?
Yeah, the crossing's stuck, that barrier's stuck. You shouldn't really be crossing when there's a trainer, but okay. Turn around. Why have we got people crossing when there's a train there? It's ridiculous. There's gonna be like an accident or something, or something's gonna happen badly. But I hope not. I hope it's safe, but it's not really safe when you have one barrier down. It's failed. It failed to go up probably. This has failed to go up. It's failed to raise. I'm guessing the barrier wasn't raised fully. I'm guessing it hasn't raised fully, or it's just got stuck and it's failed to go up. This is going to be chaos, isn't it? It's going to be fun to watch though. I believe they're reporting it to the signaller saying, can I come through? Lights are still going. And the barrier's still down. Oh, if he came across, I'd be like, what? I might go, no, I'm actually going to stay on this side. Oh, Noah Grell's here now. Right, Noah Grell's here to fix it. And there's a... Mate, I wouldn't. Right, Noah Grell's here to solve the problem. Hopefully fix it. Right, they're parking. Right, the train's not moving. The train's still sat there. It's been there for 4 minutes now or more. And this crossing is still acting up. They're not moving. Believe they're here to fix it. They're here to fix it, aren't they? Yep. Hopefully they can fix it. Hiya! Right, I believe they're going to pump it up or something and lower it probably. Yeah, I don't know how they're going to fix that, but I'm hoping they can. Because this is a major malfunction. I've been recording for over 10 minutes now, something like that. You alright? Believe they're going to attempt raising it. They're going to do something like that. They're probably going to attempt to raise it. No, I was just there. There's only one member of staff here. So far I've filmed the whole lot of it. I haven't filmed the closure or anything because I wasn't down here. Right, I believe they're going to press lower. I believe they're doing the cross and clear unit, or they're going to manually lower it. Gates haven't gone down yet. Oh, the train's coming through. Right, the train's going through slowly because there's a speed limit in place. There it goes, look. Right, train's just honked the horn, it's gone through. There it goes. Right, train's just gone through. There is another one in 2 minutes. Gate's still stuck. Oh, he's probably phoning the signaller. He's just there, that phoning people. Workers are going to try and fix it. I'm guessing that barrier's failed to raise. And I'm guessing 3 went up and that got stuck. That tends to happen sometimes. I'm assuming the costumes is acting up like for God knows how long now. The alarm's still going, there's the light still going, look. I'm gonna stand back here, look, just saying that. I believe there's a train the other way. Yeah, there's a train coming in about 2 minutes. It's probably at a red signal down there. This has completely failed. This is the worst malfunction yet. Not only because 2 batteries failed, they all failed. Oh, there we go. Yep, lights have gone out. I believe they're going to manually lower it to test it. Me? Oh, I believe they're telling the workers to go across. I might cross back over there. Right, the lights have just gone out, so I don't know what's going to happen. I believe they're going to manually activate it. No, actually I'm going to stay here. We've got people on the box jump and being illegal. I believe they're going to test it to make sure it's fixed. Excuse me, mate. Right. Oh, they're testing it. Okay. Oh, timed out. Pardon? Okay, well, let's try this again. Barriers are going to lower. Oh, yep, it's failed again. Yep, it's failed again. Oh, no, there we go. Okay, something's not right. I don't know what the problem is, but... So that gate came down and these ones didn't. I don't know, what was it? Right, now they're lowering. Okay, something's not right, because that gate lowered before this one. Which is odd. I believe they're gonna... believe he's gonna... Oh wait, British Transport Police is here. The police are here. The police are here to do something. I don't know what they're here to do, but I'm hoping they do something. I believe they're gonna close the road or something. I believe they're here to stop the people from going across or something. I'm just gonna stand here though, so I don't cause any harm. I'd normally go in front of the line, but not when it's failed. But the crossing's down for the 15 service, which is late by 3 minutes. I believe there's a police car here now. I believe that's British Transport Police. I believe so. Right, we're either gonna... The crossing's not fixed because something's not right. Because I saw 3 gates went up and that one didn't. So I believe something's wrong with that barrier. Might have to be replaced or something. Right, I believe they're trying to park next to Network Garage van so they can help them out. I believe so. Right, it's 1819. No, sorry, 819, not 18. It's 819. They're going to raise them or leave them down for that train. Police are here now. I believe they're here to stop the crossing. Or close the road off or something. I don't know what they're going to do, but they're going to do something. My cousin would love this video. This is going to be absolute chaos. Right, the police are here now to help the incident because the crossing's just failed. I believe they're grabbing something from the van. I believe they're checking the barrier. I don't see a train. Maybe it's late because of this fail. Or this barrier getting stuck. It's one or the other. Either the whole crossing's failed or there's a train coming, I think. I don't see one. But I believe they're just going to stay and manually activate it or something. I believe that's all they're going to do. Oh yeah, there's a train coming through slowly. (450) 002. Oh, stop. Oh, just sound the horn. It's just stopped there. Right, it's just sounded the horn so it can go through. There it goes. It's on a speed limit, so because of this fail, I think the crossing's going to malfunction. Yeah, it's an 8 car. Right, we're going to go up the same way like we did before. Train had to stop there for a reason, because Network told him to. Right, we're going to go up the same way. Is that barrier going to get stuck again? Let's find out. Barrier's probably going to get stuck again, by the looks of it. We haven't gone up yet, because it is 22. Crossings failed to raise, unless there's another train coming. There's 2 workers here and there's the police. When's this next train? 27, something like that? The crossing's just ridiculous. I believe the gate's going to fail again or something. It's going to do something. Well, let's just see what happens.
It's got one more train.
Yeah.
Approaching,
Yeah.
and then we should be able to get the barriers once we get to the cross, right?
That's fine. No, I'm just filming it if that's alright. Oh, that's okay. Well, we have one more train approaching apparently. Then we've got... then the gates are going to be raised. Hopefully it doesn't fail, because I believe the gate there is stuck. It's like it's doing what Barmouth did, where Barmouth had one gate, all gates went up except for one. It's something like that. Train's 5 minutes or 4 minutes away. I think I'll cross the other side and go that side, where that broken gate is. Or maybe actually I'll probably stay here because it's safer. I believe the train's going to have to come through slowly again, because it's failed. Even though it's done properly, it's not safe for it to go across like that. I believe that guy there is the one that reported it to Network Rail. This train should be about 2 minutes away. It should be 2 minutes away. This is going to be absolute nuts round here now. Because we've got a broken level crossing, and we have trains on the speed limit, and we have Network Rail and the police. So this is going to be a fun video. Crossing's failed, apparently.
Yeah, I know because I came from over there.
Yeah, the gate's stuck. Nevergrowl's trying to fix it, but there's one more train, then they're going to hopefully fix it. Hopefully. We'll have to wait and see. Do you know where Barmouth is in Wales? Barmouth's in Wales. So Barmouth had basically the same thing where 3 gates went up and then one of them didn't. But it was one of those gates, it wasn't one of those gates, but Barmouth has it all the time where all gates get stuck and then 3 go up and then 1 doesn't. So I believe that's what's happened here. Right. Nevergrowl's trying to fix it though. I came down here when the lights and alarms were going because it was my mum saw a post, and then as soon as I heard about it, I'm like, yep, going down there now. Yeah. Because I'm not missing a fail of a level crossing for a video.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I like filming fails because it's interesting to see.
So, wow.
It's either I think the barrier's failed there, that one there's failed. Because it came down first and that one didn't, then they had to manually do that one. We'll see in a minute. We'll see when this train goes through, and then we'll see what happens after that.
Yeah.
Oh. It's probably going to go through slowly like the others have. All trains that when the gates were up had to go through slowly.
Yeah, of course.
Because the crossings...
Pedestrians.
And because of the cars, because the road's open completely. Well, not if it was completely, then it would be really dangerous, because if that gate didn't go down either, then the whole crossing would fail.
Oh dear. You're going to do a job in this sort of line?
Maybe, I'm hoping, yeah.
Yeah, I thought as much.
Yeah, I was wondering when that...
always,
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why the police are. I believe they're here to sort the traffic out or something, or guide the traffic. I believe that's their job.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's their job. I know what Nevergrowl's job is. They're here to... Oh, there you go. Where's that train? Is it down there?
Yeah, the London train.
London, is it? I believe it's passing or stopping. Is it stopping? I don't think it's stopping. We're gonna have to wait. That gate stayed down for ages. That one there. And 3 went up. Yeah, the train's gonna have to stop again because it's gonna have to blow the horn again. You'll see in a minute. Or not, never mind. See, it's going through slowly. Because it's caution. Because Nevergrowl's here. Oh no, it's not stopping here. It's going straight through. Yeah, it's not stopping. That's the speed when they leave the platform, so that went through quite slowly. Right, we're going to see what happens now. I believe the gate's going to fail again. We'll find out. Right, they're going to raise it now manually. They're probably asking the signaller to raise the barriers on the walkie-talkie because the signallers are monitoring it as well.
So where's the signal man now?
The signalmen are manually watching this and they manually activate it.
Oh, right.
They cancelled. I saw the worker cancel the closure because someone ran across the red lights and they cancelled it because they didn't want the barriers to lower. I've been recording for 23 minutes now. I got it before Nevergrowl got here, so I believe they're going to manually raise it, or it's just going to stay down and do nothing. Well, they might let traffic through. They said people can go across, but they're going to have to wait, unfortunately, because the crossing's just failed. This is why this station's just gotten worse, from CCTV to this. That gate's probably going to get stuck again. Nevergrowl's it. Now, I saw that van turn up. They can't go through because the crossing's failed. That's why. The crossing's got stuck. That barrier there got stuck for ages. And the 3 went up, that one didn't. It's been like that for, I don't know how long. I got it about 8 o'clock to film it. Oh, there we go. There we go. But it's fixed now probably. I don't know if it's completely fixed, or I believe they're going to manually activate it. We're going off again. Right, let's see if the gates... Oh, did you tell them off? Oh, sorry.
Okay. Mate, can you move back please? I'll wait for you.
Yeah, of course I can.
Right, so now the face is coming down. Put the lights on.
Right, crossing's doing a success so far. Right, I believe they're going to...
Right, I'll hang up. Obviously we'll remain on site, and then after we maybe go back to OD mode, so we'll get them back. Well, at least you've got your control back now, which is good enough.
What lady? Where?
Hopefully it goes up now.
So it's actually going down the
Hopefully.
section,
Yeah, that gate got stuck. It did break. Yeah, that crossing gate got stuck.
Why do you take pictures?
New gate.
I do. I mainly film level crossings that fail or break, or you know, Liss Common.
Yeah.
Liss Common failed because of the. Basically, it did this, but 2 gates were down, and then they went up, and that gate didn't go down back in January, and then Petersfield failed.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's down for a train. There you go. It's going through now. For the traffic. Let me on. You alright? I've never seen this happen before. What do you normally do here, Si? Do you...
Oh, you're right.
Oh no, I'm standing this side because I need to go here.
Hopefully it'll go back up again.
Well, I'm hoping that gate doesn't get stuck again.
No, it just went up, so it should be alright.
Well, I think they're going to have to monitor it just in case if it gets stuck again.
You can always use the bridge in the station if that's any easier
Yeah,
for
I
you.
did, and I'm scared the bridge is going over.
Ah, okay.
So they like to break.
Oh no!
What is with these level crossings? These OD systems cause fails. All these crossings around here have failed a lot. Mainly Liss Common, because there's a dead alarm at Liss Common.
Yeah, it does happen.
Yeah.
It's only mechanical like everything else, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, there we go.
Lovely.
Alright.
Believe it's
Just take
fixed.
care, crossing.
Lights out. Barriers up. Yep. Now let's find out if it fails. Here we go. This gate might go down. This might be the only one. We'll find out. Nope. Back to normal, I think. I think we're back to normal. I don't know. Do you think we fixed it? I'm hoping.
We're hopeful. This is a full automatic test.
Yeah.
The signal's not controlling it at all, I'm not. Radar's done the detection,
Oh, the radar's done it.
so it should be good.
Have you seen these crossings where these gates come down and then these two don't?
Yes.
I've seen that at Liss Common. I believe one in Petersfield's done it, Farncombe's done it.
Normally it's the radar detecting something.
Is that what causes
It could
it?
be a reflection, it could be a doll, it could be anything.
We need like sensors or
And it
something.
puts 2 barriers up as an escape route.
Yeah, I've seen that a couple of days ago. I've seen it all the time around here, mate.
Sometimes they go a bit funny.
I like level crossings. I find them interesting to watch. Yeah. Yeah. I enjoy them.
How many people were misusing it while it was
Oh, I got videos of it. I'll show you. Do you want me to show you?
vehicles as well as people?
Okay, we're off to a good start. No idea what the issue was, but yep, gates are down for the 8:51 service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. This is going on YouTube, by the way, so let's just hopefully the crossing doesn't fail again. This is a chaos failure. Hello again. We're off to a good start. I hate that the lights are out of sync though, it's annoying. How annoying that is. believe it's fixed. If not, then it's going to be bad. We got a broken barrier light. Barrier light's broke. This barrier light there's broke. Right, gate's gonna go up. Yep. So far so good.